Hello, hello, hello everyone. Welcome back to Solo channel. Today we are going to focus on Academy Stars Year 6 Workbook page 11. Lesson 4 Language in Use. Activity 1 Match to make sentences. Sila padankan untuk bina ayat yang betul. So number 1, there was a fire drill while we were rehearsing for a concert. Now, let's check the answers together. Sekarang mari kita semak semua jawapan bersama-sama. Number 2, F. We were singing when we heard the alarm. Number 3, A. We were walking outside when we realized it was an emergency. Number 4, E. I saw smoke outside while I was doing a science experiment. Number 5, B. I was measuring liquids when the fire started. And the last one, 6, C. The fire engine arrived while we were waiting in the playground. Activity 2. Complete the sentences with the correct form of the verbs. Sila lengkapkan ayat berikut dengan menggunakan kata kerja dalam bentuk yang betul. 1. I was doing gymnastics when the emergency happened. As you can see here, this sentence uses the word when. So after the word when, the verb must be in past simple. So happen, we change it to happened, which is its past simple, ed. And the verb before when must be in past continuous, so I was doing. Ayat ini menggunakan perkataan when, jadi selepas perkataan when, kata kerja mesti dalam bentuk past simple. Jadi kita tambah ed, happened, dan untuk kata kerja yang pertama, do, kita akan jadikan dia past continuous. I was doing. Okay, let's complete the second verb first because we want to check whether the sentence uses the word when or while. Kita akan lengkapkan kata kerja yang kedua dahulu sebab kita nak lihat sama ada ayat ini menggunakan perkataan when ataupun while. So for number 2, while. After the word while, the verb must be in past continuous. So listen becomes listening and my friend singular. So my friend was listening. Dalam ayat nombor kedua ini, ada perkataan while, jadi selepas while, kata kerja mesti dalam bentuk past continuous. So listen jadi listening, friend, satu orang, my friend. So my friend was listening. Number 3, similar with number 2, it's while as well. So live, living, and we, plural. So we use were living. Untuk nombor 3 sama dengan nombor 2 sebab ayat ini menggunakan perkataan while, jadi live jadi living dan we, kami maksudnya ramai, jadi kita gunakan were living. Number 4, this sentence uses when, so after the word when, the verb must be in past simple. Past simple for go is went. Untuk nombor 4, ayat ini menggunakan perkataan when, jadi kata kerja selepas perkataan when mestilah dalam bentuk past simple. Past simple untuk go adalah went. Number 5, while. So, past continuous for wait is waiting. We, plural, were waiting. Untuk nombor 5, guna perkataan while. Jadi, wait jadi waiting. We ramai were waiting. And for number 6, while juga. So, watch, watching. We, plural, were watching. Nombor 6 juga guna perkataan while jadi watch, jadi watching. We ramai were watching. Okay, now let's complete the first verb. Sekarang mari kita lengkapkan kata kerja yang pertama. So number 2 was listening is in past continuous. So the first verb must be in past simple. Ring becomes rang. Untuk nombor 2, kata kerja kedua was listening. Berada dalam bentuk past continuous, jadi kata kerja pertama mestilah past simple. Ring menjadi rang. The alarm rang while my friend was listening to music. Number 3, it's similar with number 2, so we just change here into its past simple form, which is heard. Nombor 3 sama dengan nombor 2, jadi kita gantikan perkataan here kepada ke dalam bentuk past simple, iaitu heard. We heard a fire engine while we were leaving the sports center. Number 4, the second verb is in past simple, which is went. So the first verb must be in past continuous. It's just that we are going to use in negative form. We were not wearing. Untuk nombor 4, kata kerja kedua dalam bentuk past simple, went. Jadi kata kerja pertama mestilah dalam bentuk past continuous. Cumanya kita guna dalam bentuk negatif. Jadi we were not wearing coats when we went outside. Number 5, the second verb is in past continuous, were waiting. So the first verb must be in past simple. We just add D to the word arrive to make it past simple. Arrived. Untuk nombor 5, kata kerja kedua were waiting berada dalam bentuk past continuous. Jadi kata kerja pertama mestilah dalam bentuk past simple. Jadi kita tambah D sahaja. Arrived. The firefighters arrived while we were waiting in the car park. And the last one, number 6, similar with number 5, so we change bring to its past simple form, brought. Nombor 6 sama dengan nombor 5, jadi kita gantikan bring kepada dalam bentuk past simple, brought. They brought the last person out of the building while we were watching. Activity 3. Complete the questions. Lengkapkan soalan-soalan berikut. So let's look at number 1. Mari kita lihat nombor 1. What were you doing when the fire alarm rang? In this question, there's the word when. So after the word when, the verb must be in past simple. Ring becomes rang. And the verb before when must be in past continuous because it should be opposite with the past simple. So past continuous of you do will be were you doing. Untuk dalam ayat ini ada perkataan when. Jadi selepas perkataan when kita mestilah gunakan kata kerja dalam bentuk past simple. Jadi ring jadi rang. Kemudian kata kerja yang pertama mestilah dalam bentuk past continuous. So were you doing? What were you doing when the fire alarm rang? Okay, now let's change all the second verbs into their past simple form. Sekarang mari kita gantikan kesemua kata kerja yang kedua ke dalam bentuk past simple. So number 2, arrive, we just add D, becomes arrived. Number 2, arrive, kita tambah D jadi arrived. Number 3, come becomes came. Number 3, come jadi came, C-E-M-E. Number 4, phone, we just add D, phoned. Number 4, untuk phone kita tambah D jadi phoned. And number 5, stopped, we just add P-E-D, double P, okay? Stopped. Number 5, stop kita tambah ED dan kita pastikan ada 2 P, stopped. Let's proceed to the first verb. We should be in past continuous. Sekarang mari kita lengkapkan kata kerja yang pertama. Mestilah berada dalam bentuk past continuous. So number 2, your friends, plural, banyak. So were your friends playing? Number 3, you listen. You also need to use were. So were you listening? Untuk nombor 3, perkataan you mesti guna perkataan were. Jadi were you listening? Number 4, your friend do. Friend singular, satu. So was your friend doing? And number 5, you write. So were you writing? Well, for the answers, they are all depends on you as long as they are logic. But you can refer these answers as your reference. Untuk jawapan, kamu boleh beri jawapan kamu sendiri asalkan logik. Cuma kamu boleh jadikan jawapan ini sebagai panduan. Let's read together. Mari kita baca bersama-sama. 1. What were you doing when the fire alarm rang? I was sleeping when it rang. 2. What were your friends playing when you arrived at the park? My friends were playing hide and seek when I arrived at the park. Number 3. What music were you listening to when your mom came home? I was listening to pop music when my mom came home. Number 4. What was your friend doing when you phoned? My friend was doing homework when I phoned. And the last one, 5. What were you writing when the computer stopped working? I was writing an email when it stopped. Alright, well done everyone. I hope you have lots of fun learning English with me today. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe Solo channel for more videos. Bye!